Here you go, Jaguar E type, v12, left-hand drive, manual. It's absolutely project. Body is very solid, but the rest inside the interior, the cosmetically, it will need work. The window have a crack. That's the engine. In my opinion, the best one with the carburetors, v12. I not tried. Probably the engine is not moved because it's standing too long time. But we'll see when I start work on it. Solid body. That's the only good things on this car. The interior is mismatch. 88,000 miles. Perfect project for some Jaguar enthusiast. When it's done, it will be a great car. It's arrived just yesterday, so today we park on the garage. Beautiful. Amazing base for some conversion, like you can use other Jaguar engines, V8 or something. Just use the body and it will be modern, fantastic car. That's pretty much for now. Beautiful shape. And also the grill. The best grill for E-Type.